It doesn't accept gay people to lobby. Come on, man.
Hi, kitty. How you doing today, kitty? You got a nice furry body.
The heck is going on? What did I come
Just
back
gonna scoot up forward. Don't mind me. Just scooting up forward. You got a nice furry body. Yes. I'm liking your body. I'm liking your body, kitty.
I like it.
Target finder.
Oh! Oh my god.
Never mind, we don't have this.
You're a bad person.
Oh my god.
What the hell is that?
Someone's hacking this lobby.
I was right
was
through
great.
the door.
That was great.
Yeah, someone's definitely, definitely hacked.
Hello, my friend! Hey, you want to see a magic trick? Hey, you ready? Be amazed, or be ready to be amazed. You ready?
Yeah.
Keep your eyes on me.
Alright.
I'm just gonna go behind the shield, and I.
Whoa! Wow, they showed my...
I'll flank him from the back.
Camera, they're watching that way.
Peekaboo! What?
He's just sitting there staring at me.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Behind y'all. Yep, right there.
Alright, everybody who wants to know pro tips on things, all things, everything, this right here is the one of them helicopters. You can get those at any store. I got one of mine at Kohl's. Don't shoot the helicopter, it's a valuable item. Don't want to ruin it. Alright, what you want to do is whoa.
Oh, I exploded.
Whoa! No! No, 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 no. No, you get back here right now. I'm about to do the chiropractor on you. That's where I take you, and I knee you right in the back. I used to call it the back fucker, but people took it the wrong way, so now I'm just gonna call it the chiropractor. Up and down on that. It's stroking up and down your back.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Like, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Oh, get some. That is how you win the round.
Do you know that if you burp and fart at the same time, your stomach has a possibility of imploding?
What? What?
Yeah, if you burp and fart at the same time, your stomach has a possibility of imploding.
Like exploding on itself?
What do you mean imploding? Like, go back?
It will.
Hey guys,
exploding. You know, exploding. Exploding. How like bursts outward. Well, imploding is like sucking inward. So like burst.
Oh,
Right?
got the new iPhone.
Wait, what'd you catch? Are you on fire red? Are you on fire red?
I got a phone for Christmas. I'm so happy. I like to
Dude,
dance
that's the new
around
iPhone 5?
and yeah, it's the new iPhone Z12, and you can get it at stores for $20.99. You can get it for free for only $29.95.
Throwing
Hi, I'm
penises on
shabadaygames. Welcome to Mannequin Makeover. Today we're gonna give Steve a nice shoulder pad here. Oh, that did not work out. We're gonna give him a nice dildo for a face.
Oh, God.
Alright? Nice.
Oh, he's got it in his eye.
Shoulder pad.
Oh god.
No! Right when I was gonna give him one of them shoulder pads.
Look at my spot. Someone come look at my spot. Oh, no one's looking at it.
You suck.